Hello friends, welcome to Sharaf's Kitchen. Hello viewers, we are back with another recipe. It's a snack recipe once again. It's made out of brown chickpeas. Usually we make pakoras at home, which is made out of besan. But this time it's a variation. We tried it out with black chickpeas and believe me, it was really tasty. So let's get started. Now let's see the ingredients required for the recipe. Brown chickpeas 250 grams, whole garlic bulb 3 numbers, dry red chili 11 to 12, curry leaf 3 strands, shallots 100 grams, asafoetida half teaspoon, salt to taste and oil to fry. If you like the video, please share it with your friends and family and also subscribe to my channel and press the bell button.